Number 2, come on up. What do you want?
Whoa.
What do you want?
Oh, I just got it. My wonderful husband.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. So I feel inspired to share 2 things, and then I want to get onto that. Is that okay?
No, get on to the other thing. This is really what we want to do, because you all have desires that you are somewhere in the relationship with them.
Yes.
And you all understand the basis of all of these things, and we can talk about the basis forevermore. But let's do some of the work that puts you in the vibrational place that causes you to allow what it is you are wanting.
Yeah, so my question around this is...
No question. What do you want? You see, focus is a tricky thing. What is it that you desire?
Love. Just the deep, deep love. Vulnerability.
You want vulnerability?
Yes.
Because?
The joy of it, the depth of it, the expansion of it. It's the
What is it about
deliciousness of it.
vulnerability that appeals to you? Having someone rescue you from it?
Oh, God, no. No.
So what do you mean by vulnerability?
Well, I have the physical sensation of opening. I have my heart is wide open.
You are meaning by the word vulnerability surrendering?
Yes.
Giving in?
Yes.
Trust?
Yes.
Trusting that all is well?
Yes.
And not needing to guard, putting all your guards down,
Yes.
which we can see in some ways could mean leaving yourself open, but your level of trust is so deep that all the guards can be down because you trust so much in the well-being that truly abounds. Well, that's about as good as it gets right there. That's about as good as it gets right there. Yeah. So now we're talking vibrationally and energetically again and emotionally again. How will that perfect, resonant emotion play out in your experience? In other words, tell us about the dynamics of that in what you call real life. In other words, because so far we're talking about energy, we're talking about vortex, we're talking about connection, we're talking about connection with source. But what we want to talk about now is, what does that lead to? In other words, use the words, talk about where that's taking you, play that out for us just a little bit.
You mean in practical terms?
What does that mean in real life terms? What does that mean in terms of what you hear and what you can see?
Oh,
what does that mean?
Yeah, softness. A beautiful softness in communication, a feeling of, infinite possibility, the sense of fun and freedom.
So say some words, because you see, you're right there in the vibration of it, and any specifics that you apply to it now. Now, if you've been listening to us for a while, someone who's not tuned in, we don't ask for specifics, because the specifics just encourage a momentum that is counterproductive. But when someone has surrendered like this and is in that place, and now as you use the focus of your mind to speak the specifics of what you want, you not only increase the momentum, but you get the thrill of having your foot on the throttle moving down that highway at 100 miles an hour.
Yeah. Well, my surname is Lane, and I like to be in the fast lane in this. So, yeah, for sure. Well, ecstatic intimacy, feeling of, what is it in real life? You mean in practical terms? I'm not really sure of the question.
What we're asking for all of you that are coming up in this faster paced, practical practice of being in the receptive mode, and then are words that confirm the vibration, that lead to more of the specifics, the precise specifics that are in your vortex that you are now wanting to highlight. It's like this. It's like saying, all right, vortex, I know that everything I want and everything that I've ever wanted is already in there. So there is an enormous menu of opportunity. But now I would like you to deliver to me precisely these things about this. You're following? For the fun of it, not for the making it happen, for the fun of it. Because as you speak the words and mean what you say, there's a satisfaction even in the speaking of the words that will enhance the manifestation as it unfolds. So say
laughter, travel, fun, adventure, you know, you pull
It's
them out, pull them out.
It's good. This is good.
Children.
You are brilliantly staying in alignment with your vibration in your somewhat general statements. But now zero in on some aspect of it and have the fun of it with your mind and with your words. Speak to your mate. Say the words that someone tuned in, tapped in, turned on, and living that would be saying. Say the words and let us hear if the words continue to match. You get what this exercise is? Keep playing it out. Keep playing it out. So far, she's playing it just right. In other words, she used a word that most didn't agree with, but her word matched what she meant. In other words, and that's all that matters. So what do you say to those with whom you are co-creating under those conditions?
Him,
Yeah.
specifically.
Yeah.
Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have more freedom in the relationship than outside it.
All right, you're still awfully general, and it's sort of like an outline version of it that we're getting.
Okay, yeah.
Travel,
So actually, I
may-
haven't ever really drilled down into the specifics because I'm waiting for him to bring his vortex to the equation so we co-create together.
But don't you want to have something to say in the hymn that comes
yeah,
with his
man,
vortex?
are you kidding me? I'm Irish. I speak. Yeah.
And so speak it. I love the way you look.
Yes, he's gorgeous.
How tall is he?
Okay, all right. Oh, I can go do a rampage on him. Yeah, well, you know, he's tall, he's dark, he's handsome.
No,
he's
not
gorgeous.
he's. You.
Oh,
you.
me?
No, not you. You talking to him. In other words, we want you to make this real.
Oh,
You
gosh,
beautiful man. I've
Yes.
been looking for you, and
Oh,
now I've found you.
Yes.
You are more beautiful than I ever thought anyone could be. I love the
yeah.
taste of your neck and the smell.
Yes,
I knew you would like it when I put my tongue in your ear. I knew it. I knew it. I knew you would like it. I love the brilliance of your mind. I like the words that you speak to me. I adore the way you look at me. I love how you feel about me. I love the way I feel in the world now that I'm walking with you.
Yes.
You are the most magnificent being that I ever imagined. Where did you come from? You've come from the heavens. I know that I created you. You are perfect in every way. You're exactly what I wanted. I put you into my vortex one piece at a time. I knew you were there, and now you are here. Now you are here. You see. It's not off somewhere in some philosophical discussion. It's real when you're talking like that. It's real when you're knowing it like that. It's real because it is real. But you're preparing yourself for the realness of it. You're saying the words that make you receptive to the recognition of it. Because otherwise, as you walk around in this vagueness, vagueness surrounds you and it never zeroes in, but you get to define it. You are creators that have the energy that creates worlds at your back. Do you see the specifics of this world? Do you understand the details of this world? Do you see how this magnificent world, do you see the textures and the depths and the colors and the fragrances? This has been that kind of an experience for you as you've been here in these days. Do you see how specific this world is for you to translate into the things that please you? So at this stage of your evolution and understanding, you are ready for this. You are ready for this. Don't speak these words if you're yearning. They don't help you. They backfire. But when you feel like you feel, the more words like that you speak, the more pleasure you have in the moment as you are moving toward the further and further and further fulfillment. And long after he's in your experience and long after he's heard all of those words, keep saying them, keep meaning them, keep knowing them, keep flowing them, keep looking for them, and allow him to show you the depths and breadths of the beauty that is him, that he will never stop revealing to you as long as you continue to look for it, you see. Identify the specifics of what you want to see from this place of what you called vulnerability. It's all right word if you want to use that. What we call open and allowing and expectation. And watch anything in this universe reveal itself to you as you have practiced it to be. Really good. Really good. Really good.